Another cool little thing you can do in SQL that's actually going to be very useful later down the line, especially as a data engineer, is going to be something called subqueries. We've seen them a little bit here by using the parentheses, but let me go ahead and show you what one looks like, and then we'll go over it. So let me copy and paste it over. So as you can see here, we have first a select statement where we're selecting the title. Now inside of that, we have a comma, and then inside a set of parentheses, we're using another select statement, but we're selecting the actor name, and again, using aliases and a join. So from actors, alias of A, we're joining the film actors, again, using it as a bridge. And then the final result from this select statement is going to be the actor name, and then we're pulling this from films using the alias F. So this is just a string select statement, but a subquery. So before this finishes, we're going to run and find the title from the films table. But then we're also going to look here. SQL will go ahead and execute this query and then add it into the results table. So right now what this is doing is it's retrieving the film's title along with the name of one of its actors. So if we go ahead and hit enter, you can see that it's kind of the same thing what we did earlier in the course, where we joined two different tables, but we used a subquery instead. Subqueries can be used in multiple different ways. We saw this being used in this select clause here, but we can actually use this also with the in operator. So if we wanted to retrieve films that have either, let's say Leonardo DiCaprio or Tom Hanks, this is what the query would actually look like. So let me go ahead and show you. So we're selecting the title from the films table, where the film ID in, and then this is where our subquery would start. This is where we're going to say, hey, we're looking for any films, and we want the name of them if the condition is met here, where the actor's name is either Leonardo DiCaprio or Tom Hanks. So we're looking for both of these movies. So we're going to say, obviously, go into the film actors table and do another join here. So we're adding that condition by joining in other tables, and that's where subquery can really become useful here. So if I enter, you're going to see that we're only going to get the titles back, and Inception, Forrest Gump, and Toy Story are going to be the three movies that contain Leonardo DiCaprio or Tom Hanks. And obviously, most of us have seen that, so that checks out. But that is a quick little intro and awesome little thing we can do in SQL subqueries.